here he has the initial starting off, the Facebook group. And the cool thing about it is I'm invested into another guy's course who does something very, very similar. His course is a lot more expensive than Jordan's, yet I wanted to get all the information to make sure I'm not missing on anything. But the reason why I wanted to talk about Jordan's is because his stuff, I actually enjoy his course heavily because check this out. So his Facebook group has over 2,000 people already. So you just know that right off the bat that there's 2,000 plus people who actually already in the group that you can connect with and network. And I've already DM'd a couple of people already, and we're essentially getting started with. And it's basically like a mini accountability partner slash group, aka slash mastermind in its own setting. So anyone who does post, I just straight up DM them, be like, yo, what are you working on? How did you do this? What does this work? And it's perfect for that. And then he has an email too in case you guys wanted to contact him. But then it gets into the juicy parts. So if you've never done a YouTube channel before, then this course tells you everything. But I've already done YouTube before. I'm doing my channel like this is a YouTube video right here. So I kind of know some of the basic stuff. So just note that if you already have a YouTube channel, you're ahead of the game. But in case you've never ever made one beforehand, never been monetized or any of that stuff, he includes all of that stuff in here. So literally you can see all this stuff about downloading, uploading YouTube AdSense, Google AdSense, and then creating your AdSense account. And basically, this is the cool part right here, unlimited channels with unlimited phone numbers, because you do have to verify your actual phone number or a phone number to your channel to make custom thumbnails, which is essential for YouTube because you gotta get that clickbait, guys. And then here, he literally implies videos from Instagram too. So it's kind of like pretty funny. So in case you guys have been following me, then you guys could probably do really well in this business model. But also here, monetization review. So this stuff right here is pretty dope. So in case you don't know, monetization, it's not something that you can actually do right away unless you use some of the things you did. But in general, monetization, in case you never heard about it, you need 1,000 subscribers and you need 4,000 watch hours, which is around 240,000 minutes, okay? However, that's gonna take you forever to do if you're gonna do it yourself. And also if you do create a new channel and you make a sort code of you make a bunch of compilation videos, reposting, etc., it's gonna be very difficult for you to get monetized. So there's ways that he actually shows exactly how to get monetized, and there's people in the Facebook group who have already, some of them have like 4 channels that they monetize already, and they're just stacking up on their channel so that they can go ahead and start reposting and boom, start collecting those cash. But here's the cool thing right here. So I don't think it shows it exactly. Yeah, right here actually. Huge secret for skipping monetization review and getting a monetized channel today instantly. Like literally, if you guys want to, you can get a monetized channel on YouTube, all legally, 100% legit, from trusted people, and you can literally get it today and start posting and literally get paid from AdSense right away, okay? But I'm doing it the traditional route, the way that he's saying in this section, because I just want to take my time and I just don't feel like investing in it right now. But that is in case if you guys want to go monetize today, he tells you exactly how to do this. Now you can see here's me right here. But anyway, so getting around copyright. So that's something that a lot of people they're like, okay, so you're sharing people's content using Creative Commons. What happens if copyright issues come up? Well, he's showing you all these different ways to do it to where you can remove copyrights and essentially be copyright proof to where you're not gonna have to worry about that stuff. And also you will have access to him and then literally thousands of people in the Facebook group that will tell you what they did to get avoided. Because I've seen a lot of people already posting on I got this music matching showing up, or I got this guy sending me like this so-called fake copyright stuff, and they're just replying back and forth. So it's cool to see a bunch of other opinions on how to get avoiding and like getting away from that copyright issues, because again, that's probably the most common mistake I can see people getting into when they start off. And then here, this is the video I'm watching right now. This I'm not joking. This is hands down. If you're not even doing a YouTube channel for like compilation or reposting of that sort, if you're actually making a channel like for yourself, like me, like I'm filming myself right now, this is my own personal channel, this video alone was I think more than the actual course. Because this thing, when I saw this method, I was like, dang, that's so genius. And this is kind of similar on Instagram, because on Instagram there's so many methods out there on how to grow viral, etc., and gain followers, except there's little things that people don't pick up on, and this is one of the little things on YouTube that I would never ever have thought of, because it's from a guy who's experienced, who's getting millions of views on his video, and he knows exactly what he's doing. So that's why I'm just saying this alone, I'm already satisfied with the amount that I paid for this course. And then here, additional thumbnail titles, SEO, tagging. So in case you've never started a YouTube channel, I mean, you will get used to this. But since I already done all this stuff, I already know it's just helpful tips and additional things that you can actually do to boost up your ranking and then essentially get more views, watch time, and that's how you take off. And then here, ads, and then also the increasing your actual ad revenue a lot more, which is pretty dope to see. actually doing that now on my current channel because I monetize on this one you're watching right now. So it's pretty cool to see how they both transition. So it's not really a compilation repost style course. It's like both, even though it's targeted towards the reposting thing. So that's something to keep in mind. And there's an additional niche ideas. So he shows like the niches that he does, and then also how like the channels that he takes the content from. So if you really wanted to copy and paste him, you could, but to be honest, since he probably has first mover advantage and he has a lot more subscribers and views, he's probably gonna rank you every single time. But again, it's something, if in case you're just trying to get started with and test out the waters, you could. And then there's here finding videos to post, SEO, and his cool here is he has case studies, because I'm in a different course. So I'm in 2 courses for this type of reposting thing. And the other course, it's good, don't get me wrong, but he doesn't have like actual case studies where he spends like, look at 30 minutes Jordan spends showing you guys on his computer. Like, for the amount of money this guy's making and the amount he's charging for the course, it's like, you start to wonder, like, is that even worth his time to do it? But definitely, he's actually out there. He's very authentic. That's the reason why I decided to even make this review video for him, because I just genuinely like his actual personality and the way he does his business. And then he has multiple case studies here, and then a conclusion and an affiliate program down below. At the current price right now, like, I don't know if he's going to raise it or lower it, but that's literally a steal. Like, this thing should be worth $997 or so-called $1,000 in my personal opinion. But this man has been making thousands of dollars himself on YouTube, so I don't think he cares to change the price. But I would definitely, if you're interested and ready to take action, that you might want to get in before he changes the price, because to be honest, the amount of value that he puts into it, I don't really know if he's going to keep at this price or not. And also, he did update everything 2019, because when I got in the course, it had old videos and I was kind of like, this is here and there tips, but he updated everything. Like, it's insane the amount of work it takes to update a course, because I've made multiple courses myself for free, and I know the amount of work it actually takes to put into this stuff. And just to know that he did that for us, I was like, man, this guy has my respect. So hence, that's why I wanted to give him a free promotion. Overall, I think it's something that worth the price. Literally pennies, guys. If you go out for dinner every single day, it costs more in a month than this course. Literally, you're paying probably double for food than what you're gonna get into here, and you can literally make that back from like one single video. So just keep that in mind, guys. But overall, I enjoy the course heavily. I really think that you can learn so much more from this than actually going and spending time outside and researching.